Hello guys, welcome to No Junk Talk, taking your mind and your soul to the next level. Guys, hope you're doing well and everything's cool. Today I want to talk about ego, pride, arrogance, and how this can be a massive barrier in one's progression, in one's getting to know thyself, yourself. Right? It could be a massive blockage, a massive obstacle, and can get in the way of one getting to know themselves properly and improving as a person. Because I'll tell you something, I've just never come across something more powerful in a negative sense that could stop someone's progression spiritually, psychologically, personally as a person, the interactions with another person, the relationships with other people are blocked and destroyed because of the thing called ego and arrogance. It absolutely destroys a person. I just cannot explain to you the power and the detrimental effects of this. And it stops one from self-reflecting and getting to know one's weaknesses. Right, it's a process that's so important to self-reflect, to sit down and be accountable and take stock of your actions, what you've done in a day, what you've said to somebody else, how your actions have impacted somebody else, to reflect on these, your words, the way you said it, the tone, to be self-critical, analyzing on one's own behavior, not cynical, not negative, but being cautious enough, being careful enough, being self-reflective enough, where you're analyzing everything you've done, the good and the bad, and so you can look at what you've done wrong and then come again and with a correction and get better, and look at all the good things you've done and continue doing these things. So I mean, yeah. And with arrogance, right, you can't really win, because your ego and your arrogance will stop you from doing this process of self-reflecting. And once this happens, the doors of growth, your doors of realization, are closed. You're done, basically. You're going to be the same nasty, horrible person, destroying your own life and destroying other people's lives. If they don't change, if they don't remove themselves from your life. So, yeah, this is the moral, the message of today's, that the power of ego and its ability to destroy a person and its ability to take away self-reflection and progress from a person's life. Guys, if you like the content, like and subscribe. If you got any questions or any more comments, please leave them behind. Press the bell button. Take care. See you on the next one. Thanks.